This 2013 Audi A4 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi A4 2.0T Premium Plus AWD Premium Plus Package Audi Advanced Key Navigation System Rear View Camera Heated Front Seats 2.0L Turbocharged 4-cylinder engine 8-speed automatic transmission Quattro all-wheel drive system Keyless entry Cruise Control Adjustable Steering Wheel Power Windows Power Door Locks Red Exterior Black Interior Owner's Manual 2 sets of keys Floor mats. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 Audi A4 Premium Plus Quattro is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for, or visit us at autogallerychicago.com.